Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another unbox video. This is Costco's vegetable spring rolls. I saw it in Costco for a very long time. I waited until now to buy it just because it's vegetable. It is vegetable spring rolls, but unfortunately, there is a garlic inside. So to me, like say because I'm a Buddhism, it is not like pure vegetarian food, and this one has 30 pieces, so I can't really finish it because my brother is a pure vegetarian and he is not eating garlic, chives, that kind of things. He can't share this big box with me, so it took me a while. I was so hesitant to buy this one. So but yesterday I finally I make up my mind. I am bothered because I really want to try how it tastes like, because it looks so yummy on the picture. This one is made in Australia. As I said, it has 30 pieces inside and it says no added preservatives, no added MSG, and low in sugar. But if you look at the ingredients at the back, it looks quite clean. All those are the whole food, and I can't really see any chemical stuff inside. However, it has baking powder, so I don't know is the aluminium free baking powder or just the normal baking powder. So apart from that ingredient, I'm actually quite happy with the rest. Oh, it also has colors. It has colors 158 and 129. I don't know what are those color for. Maybe it's the caramel color, I don't know. I try to prevent that, but anyway, when it use the numbers, I can't really tell what it is. And apart from that, this one, the ingredients looks pretty good. I thought one of the cooking method is to deep fry, and to my surprise, it is not, the deep fry is not recommended here. There are only two cooking methods. One is cooking with air fryer and the other one is cooking in an oven. I'm going to do both. I'm going to put it into the air fryer and also put it into the oven to see the difference. So let me open it first to see how it looks like inside. Okay, whoa. So it's a big plastic box and separate into two sections, and the size of the spring roll is pretty standard spring roll size, as you can see. It is not the mini one that most of us can get it from the supermarket. So this one looks like a normal spring roll. So it is looks pretty nice, and it looks like it has already pre-deep fried it, so that's why it does not need to deep fry again, I guess. So I'm going to cut it now and come back later. I use Instant Pot Duo, which has the air frying function for air frying. This one is really good. It's like it has two lids. One is for air frying, the other one is for high pressure cooking. So it's one pot for two functions. I like this one very much. Highly recommended this one. Let me see how it looks like now. Whoa, you see, it looks pretty good. Very good. You see the oil. So it squeezes out the oil. Very good. Okay, let me take it out. Oven looks pretty good as well. I use the steel sieve so the airflow can circulate inside the oven, more like creating an air frying function inside. Okay, it's done. Looks pretty good, isn't it? It looks like the oven it squeezed out more oil. You see that? The oil is dripping down. The air fryer is not really that much oil being squeezed out. Okay, done. So this is cooked by air fryer and this one is by oven. So I cut a half already, and it looks inside, it looks like that. How am I going to say? It's just like, I think those fast food shops spring roll. If you have been to the Chinese fast food shop or some buffet places, those spring rolls, it smells exactly like those spring rolls. I want to be like, I'm a little bit actually disappointed of that. So let me try the taste. The skin is not like super crispy like those deep fried, but acceptable. And but the filling, how am I going to say? If you ever have tried those fast food shop spring roll, you know if you like those are the tastes and the smells. I don't really quite like that kind of filling, so it might not suit me that much because my mom used very simple fillings, like usually use tulip or veggie, just very simple fillings. So and I like her style. Maybe that's one of the reasons that I might not like this kind of filling. But it's okay. It's edible. Edible. It's better than edible. If you like spring roll, this one is more like Western style. I think you have to dip with that sweet and sour sauce. It will taste a lot better. And let me try this oven. Oven looks very good just now, right? And squeezed out a lot of oil. So by touching the skin, they feel very similar. Okay, this side tastes crispier, but I eat it from the middle, so I didn't eat from the end. Let me try this one. They both taste crispier from the end. Okay, end is good, very crispy. Middle, as you can expect it, a little bit softer. They both taste very similar. Can't really tell the difference. So whether you use the air fryer or oven, they are going to have the same results. As for the filling, it really very personal taste. So I would say it's very acceptable. If you like those, as I said, you like those fast food shop spring roll, I think you will like this spring roll as well. And it's very easy to cook at home. You just chuck it into the oven or air fryer and will come out the result that you like. And you can dip with sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, so I think this one is pretty good as a spring roll because ingredients looks pretty simple and ingredients looks pretty clean and only the baking powder and the colors that I don't like. Other than that, others looks pretty good. And the only thing is like if they can remove the garlic and onion, I'm not sure if onion is there, I can't remember, but I think they do have garlic. If they can remove those items to make it like a pure Buddhism vegetarian, that would be even better because more people can buy it. Because if you make something, I think it's better to suit the bigger group of the population. So since this is a vegetarian already, if they can change the ingredients a little bit, just remove a couple of items there, and then can suit a bigger population, I would say like it will be good for their marketing as well, right? If they remove garlic, at least I think I will buy more often. Just put it into the freezer because sometimes you do want to have some crispy snacks or something. But 30 pieces is way too much for me. So if I can share with someone else, that would be good for me. So okay, that's the food tasting for today, and I hope you will like it. I will do more food tasting in future, not just Costco food, and also I will do more cooking, I think. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.